We've all heard that annoying voice, right? If your ROBOROCK S6 MaxV Ultra is refusing to move because it thinks a flat floor is a 50-foot drop, you've officially hit the error for cliff sensor wall. It's one of the most frustrating glitches for this model. Essentially, your robot's infrared eyes are blinded. Whether it's internal dust buildup, a hardware malfunction, or a scratched sensor lens, your vacuum now thinks your living room is a mountain peak. Ignoring this doesn't just leave your floors dirty, it turns your premium smart vacuum into a very expensive, very loud paperweight. And if those sensors are truly failing, your robot might actually take a literal cliff dive down the stairs next time it does decide to move. But don't worry, RoboCare is here to help. We specialize in robot vacuum repair. At RoboCare, our certified technicians are true specialists in the ROBOROCK ecosystem. We don't just guess what's wrong. We've spent years mastering the intricate internal circuitry of the S6 MaxV Ultra. To tackle error 4, we use professional-grade diagnostic software and infrared testing equipment to pinpoint exactly why those sensors are misfiring. Whether it's deep-seated dust behind the lens, a loose communication ribbon, or a failing hardware module, we go deep. We carefully dismantle the unit, identify the fault, and replace any failing components with genuine parts. We don't just patch the problem, we restore your robot's vision to its factory prime. Now let's get to the results. Look at that! This ROBOROCK S6 MaxV Ultra back to its prime. No errors, no stops, just pure cleaning power. Ready to fix your error 4 for good? Contact RoboCare today, visit our website or call us today to schedule your repair.